Mangroves are among the planet's most valuable ecosystems, shielding coastal communities and cities, nurturing marine life, and capturing vast amounts of carbon. But they're disappearing quietly and quickly. That's where the Global Mangrove Watch comes in. Global Mangrove Watch is an open-access platform offering the most accurate, up-to-date view of mangroves worldwide, empowering local and global action for protection and restoration. One of its most powerful tools is the delivery of mangrove disturbance alerts, real-time warnings that detect deforestation, degradation, and damage across more than 50% of the world's mangroves. Using satellite data and machine learning, GMW spots disturbances, whether from illegal logging, storm damage, erosion, or agricultural conversion, within days. These alerts are changing how conservation happens on the ground. Park managers, NGOs, and government agencies use them to act fast, investigating alerts, stopping illegal activity, and planning restoration where it's needed most. They now know where loss is happening.
We received this alert on the Global Mangrove Watch, and we were able to detect that there was the canopy and vegetation change in this area. So we were able to locate that there is something which is going on in this area.
Kama kawaida, teknolojia huwa inakuja na majibu rahisi. Zamani tulikuwa tunaweza tukafanya doria, kwa maana bila kuwa na taarifa, tunajaribu kama polisi kwa shule kwamba kutembelea maeneo. Kama unavyojua delta ni kubwa, kwa hiyo huwezi kufikia yote kwa wakati mmoja. Kwa hiyo mfumo huu unakuja na majibu rahisi kwa maana ya kupunguzia gharama.
With over 500,000 alerts in the last 5 years, GMW is transforming mangrove protection from reactive to proactive. The data is free, global, and constantly improving. In Indonesia, Tanzania, and Kenya, alerts are driving community action, enabling early interventions and supporting long-term planning. Mangroves can be a frontline solution for people, nature, and climate.